Hello. You know that a smoker uses 15 matches in one day, one third of a whole pack, which will be equal to 10 packs in a month and 120 in a year. You know that 7,855,000,000,000 matches were used in the world in a year, which equals 7,095,000 pine trees. And more than 3 million is used for packaging. In total amount we spend 10 million trees. Imagine if a person used one match in a day, then for the annual need of mankind for matches, 20 million pine trees will be needed. This means 500,000 hectares of forest, and without it, trees are continuously used in construction, in production, as well as for various purposes. Will it be fair to spend them on ordinary matches in such quantity? Isn't the protection of nature is on human duty? Only trees can stop global warming. Don't you use matches? Every 7-8 smokers out of 10 use a gasoline lighter. The lighter does not stand aside. It also spoils the atmosphere, filling it with harmful gas. The global need for lighters is more than 4 billion pieces per year. Are we forced to use a cigarette lighter? No, we are not forced to use either a lighter or a match. When there is a harmless electric cigarette lighter, we want to introduce you a small electric cigarette lighter that fits into your smartphone. You will not even notice its presence because it will be located in the handle of holder, and it's necessary for smartphones with large displays. With this holder, you will not worry about the accidental fall of smartphone from the hands. In addition, it allows you to use your smartphone with one hand. Your finger can reach the top of the device without the aid of second hand, which allows you to use your smartphone conveniently. Another advantage is that holder's handle serves at the same time as a backrest, so that the smartphone can stand freely on the table while watching the video. Our electronic lighter does not harm the environment, and it costs much less. If you are not indifferent to nature and global warming, then we ask you not to stand aside and support this project. We need your help to make this project a trend. It should be widely distributed and become an integral part of the smartphone. If the demand is high, then smartphones will appear with a built-in and electronic cigarette lighter. This change is not technically difficult. It will not take up much space in the smartphone and will not have to buy separately as an accessory. Thank you for your attention and for taking the time, and we also thank you for sharing this project on your blog, on a social network, or on your channel. Thank you for your contribution to the protection of nature.